Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting the two windows ready and choosing which side each will occupy. On Windows, click a window and press the Windows key plus left or right arrow. On Mac OS, hold the green button and choose Tile Window to left or right. Do this because snapping preserves window size and focus, making multitasking faster. Once done, make sure each app is responsive. If one is minimized, restore it first so the snap can place it correctly. Now refine the layout so both windows are usable. You can hover the divider between snapped windows and drag to change the proportion, or on Windows press Windows key plus up/down to move into quadrants. This matters because different tasks need different space. For example, reference material needs less width than an editor. Make sure the active window retains keyboard focus, and if you need equal halves, use a center snap or set both windows. Finish by anchoring your workspace, pin important apps, or move snapped sets to a virtual desktop for quick access. If snapping fails, restart the Window Manager. On Windows, restart Explorer. On Mac OS, close and reopen Mission Control, and then try again. This fixes most focus or snap glitches. Make sure display scaling and multiple monitor alignment match. Mismatched scaling can prevent accurate snaps. If a specific app refuses to snap, use manual resizing and save the layout for future sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.